Maybe you've heard people talk about AI, but what if I told you, AI just built me a website that made $10,000, and I didn't even write a single line of code? Sounds unreal? That's exactly what I thought too, until I saw it happen, right in front of me. A few months ago, I was tired of waiting for the perfect time. So I tried something different. I opened a free AI tool called Durable.co. It asked me one question: what type of business are you starting? I typed, freelance web design. And within 30 seconds, AI built me a complete website. Logo, design, text, and images, everything. I just sat there staring at the screen. It felt like watching the future load in real time. That's when it hit me. This isn't just a trend. AI is a tool, and those who learn it first win first. People all around the world are quietly using AI to build small businesses from home. No office, no employees, just creativity and a little courage to start. Let me give you an example. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork are using AI website builders like Durable to make sites for local businesses and selling them for $300 to $800 each. You can build one website per day using AI. That's not hype, it's simple math. Even 5 clients a month could mean thousands in income without knowing a single line of code. And it doesn't stop there. AI can now write your marketing text using ChatGPT, design your logo in Canva, and even turn your video ideas into content with HeyGen and Opus Clip. Every tool you learn cuts your workload in half and doubles your possibilities. I know what you might be thinking. Can I really do this? Maybe you've tried things before and failed. Maybe you're scared of starting again. But listen, you don't need to be a tech genius to win in 2025. You just need to take the first step. Even one AI skill can completely change your income and your confidence. Imagine this. You wake up one morning and your AI-built business is running while you sleep. Clients message you, orders come in, and your only job is to manage the system. That's not science fiction. That's the power of automation. And it's already happening, quietly, to those who learn early. So maybe this is your sign. Maybe this is your turning point. You've carried hard work alone for so long. Now, let AI carry some of the weight for you. The people who act now won't just survive this new world. They'll own it. Because in 2025, AI isn't your competition. It's your partner. Start learning it. Start building with it. And let this be the year your story turns around. Your comeback starts today. If this message reached you, subscribe now, because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to turn one AI tool into a real, automated business from home.